It's the end of June and July is about to be chaos. Artfight's starting, I'm job hunting, studying for my driving test, doing a networking course with my boyfriend, working on getting a CPR certification, going to camp, and maybe even volunteering at a fire station. Plus, the summer heat and no AC is making everything feel a lot more hard. Anyways, Artfight is in less than a week, and I'm sure most of you already know what Artfight is, but if you don't, here's a little tutorial on what it all is and how to set it up. First off, teams have been chosen. This year's teams are fossils versus crystals. To choose your team, you go to the home page of Artfight and click the words fossils versus crystals at the top of the page. Then you go to the button that says team sorting and click that. Then you can choose for yourself or have it choose for you. If you wait until Artfight starts, it will automatically choose for you if I remember correctly. Once you choose a team, you will want to make a team card, where you add your profile picture, 5 of your main characters, and a little bit about what you want to draw. Link for those is in the bio. It can also be found in the Artfight Discord and my Discord, both of which will be linked in the bio. Once you finish the team card, you will want to write your bio and add the team card to it. To do so, go to the top right corner of the Artfight homepage and click Profile. On mobile, go to the top and it will be the last thing that pops up. The writing of the bio is pretty self-explanatory, but the team card is rather difficult to figure out, so here's how. Send it somewhere, for instance, Discord or Twitter, and then click on the picture and open it in a new tab. And then copy the link to the picture and go to the Artfight edit profile, and there's a button that looks like a little picture, and click it and paste the link and insert. After that, all you have to do is add your characters. To do that, pull up the menu, go to your characters section, and submit a new character. The main image or images can be whatever size, but the thumbnail must be 200 by 200. However, if you don't want to go to the trouble of making one, Artfight will automatically use the main image, though it may be a little off-centered from what you want. You can write a little bio for your characters and write a specific or general character permissions. An example, what you're okay with, such as if you're okay with your character being shipped, drawn with gore, or being drawn with the other people's OCs. You can also add a link to your site for your OCs, like Straw Page or Tour House. So there's your quick tutorial, and this is what I will be doing since this is my second year of Artfight. First, I have a Discord server. A section of that is full of Artfight related channels where I have posted my profile characters and have a channel set for my attacks, and channels for you guys to do the same. As Artfight first begins, the site inevitably crashes for at least a few hours, but sometimes up to a day, for the sheer amount of people online at the same time. To combat this, I suggest you save some of the designs you want to attack and their character IDs. This is important, as you cannot attack a character without submitting their ID. In my Discord, I have a channel for my OCs to be put with their character IDs, so you have some options to choose from. Unfortunately, my server is brand new and nobody's posted yet, but you and others can change that. Another aspect of my Discord channel is we have a little game. I got the idea from Miss Luna Shadow Art. Please go subscribe to her. And it's called Draw the OC Above, which one will see the previous message and choose an OC to draw, say claimed, state their progress status, and post their own OCs on the same message. Then they will go and draw the OC that they claimed and send it in the Draw the OC Above art channel. Sounds complicated, but it's actually really easy and fun. Some things I plan to do this Artfight is practice drawing canines, as I have joined an indie animation show server, and the characters are dogs in a post-apocalyptic world. If you'd like to join, I will put that link in the description as well. I am also going to practice animating dragons some more, even though they have always been my main drawing focus for years. I still get lazy and often don't do them well, which needs to be combated for my own indie show project, which, if you want to hear more about, you can join my Discord server. Off the Artfight topic, I am selling masks now. As soon as I make a catalog page, I'll link it below as well. and I'll only be accepting Venmo for now, since that's my only form of digital pay. I'll also be selling custom wolf and fox tails as soon as I get a pricing sheet together. If anyone is interested in getting art from me, I will be setting up a commissions page as well, but it will be mostly YCHs, as I prefer knowing what's to be expected when I'm planning to draw something. Anyways, go follow me on my socials. They're in the description. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, DeviantArt, Twitter, and Tumblr, though my YouTube and Instagram are my most posted on. Also, follow me on Artfight. I plan to revenge every attack I get. Have a good rest of the day, my twisted friends. Farewell.